7 tips for use Instagram for vacation rental listing. My name is Jay. I'm a high-ticket digital marketer. I have helped Airbnb, VRBO host to generate over 500k US dollars in 2 years. So why should you use Instagram for vacation rentals? Basically, 200 million Instagram users visit at least one business profile per day. They use Instagram to search for products, services, and brands. And they trust their recommendation of other Instagram users. That goes to show just how much potential Instagram has for businesses. By promoting your vacation rental on Instagram, you can reach travelers from all over the world who are planning their next trip and looking to book the perfect accommodation. There are mainly 7 tips for use Instagram for vacation rental. First one, create an Instagram business account. Second one, complete your profile. Third one, use right targeted hashtags for your post. Fourth one, use geotags to boost your location value. Fifth one, share guest generated content or user generated content. Sixth one, you have to show your property best features. Last one, you have to test and measure and evaluate everything, and you have to counter everything. So I will not go that much to discuss how to create an Instagram account. Anybody know how to create an Instagram account? You can add your phone number and necessary details. You can create an Instagram account. Then you have to complete your profile. So you have to substitute every details you have to put correctly. And you have to use correct hashtag. What kind of hashtag? It's important for your business. You have to get an understanding about it and you have to focus for that type of thing. So you have to use geotags to boost your location value. So every tag is important, especially for the listings. The location is the key. So you have to use geotags, very important. And it also means that potential guests can check out all the photos that have been uploaded to Instagram at your location and get inspiration of their own stay. So geotag is very important thing, highly recommended for any Instagram account to boost their listing. You have to share the guest generated content or user generated content because 76% of people trust that content shared by regular people. It's true to life. User generated content is definitely a trend to get behind on Instagram. So it is very important content you can create from users. So even you don't have to spend budget or anything. You can ask for your users to create a small video. You can ask your guests to take a picture about your listing and publish their Instagram account using right hashtags. You have to flaunt your property best feature. So Instagram is basically mainly focused travel photos. You can put best travel photos for your Instagram and you can capture your property, the top highlights, an interesting way, and you can create small videos and you can get more eyeball for your listing. You have to do test and measure everything. It's very important. You have to run A/B testing in very simple way, duplicating existing AdWords, and you have to run small ad budgets, and you have to monitor your result to see which campaign is working better for your vacation rental business. My name is Jay. I'm founder of J Digital Consulting. I'm a high-ticket digital marketer. I help Airbnb, VRBO host to generate over 500Ks in 2 years. We are a digital marketing team that specializes in travel accommodation and real estate industries. Our clients are typically vacation rental managers, resort owners, destination platforms, and real estate brokers. So you're probably wondering how we can help you. After all, there are thousands of so-called marketers out there who would be glad to take your money in exchange for a CEO or some other buzzword. You don't have to even have time to look up anymore. We are different. How? We mainly focus to get result. So J. Dill Consulting was founded with a simple goal in mind, growing traffic and revenue for each and every client we work with. We pride ourselves on working with clients who execute quickly, are open to new strategies, strive to excellent and aren't afraid to think outside of the box. Our clients generate millions of dollars in a year in Airbnb, VRBO, and travel bookings. We can help you to do the same thing. These are our few happy digital marketing clients. So how can we work together? You can schedule a call with us. We can give a free consultation how we help to grow your business, grow your vacation rental business to the next level. There are 3 steps. You can directly message through our Facebook page. We can send the PayPal invoice to accept, then we can work on, or you can order us through fiverr.com. So the step 2, you will submit your listing URL and target country. So next what we will do, we will research your listing and use our data-driven process to map out a plan to bring you targeted goals, and we will deliver custom tracking report also. So step 3, on an ongoing basis, we will share result about our work and projects, and you will see the result. So real-time custom tracking report we will share with you. You will get real-time updates for your listing. So there are 3 pricing plans. We highly recommended the standard plans. We will bring 3,000 visitors and bring more bookings within 3 weeks. Let's work together. Thank you very much.